For enthusiasts seeking top performance and precision, the best touring RC cars offer unmatched speed, handling, and realism. These high-quality models excel in competitive racing and casual fun, featuring advanced suspension systems, high-torque motors, and responsive steering for optimal track performance. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best touring RC cars you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which toys and games topic you'd like to see in our next videos. The Kyosho 1971 Datsun 240Z Fazer Mark II stands as a top contender among touring RC cars, offering an unparalleled driving experience. Its classic Datsun 240Z body merges seamlessly with the advanced Fazer series chassis, elevating performance and style. The chassis is engineered for simplicity and efficiency, boasting fewer parts for easier maintenance and a reduction in weight. Despite this, it enhances strength and rigidity through the use of new materials and strategic ribbing and stiffeners at the front and rear. The symmetrical chassis design ensures balanced handling, providing responsive control regardless of the power source. It features front and rear gear differentials, oil-filled shocks, and a full ball bearing setup, which together contribute to high durability and resilience. This ready-set package arrives fully assembled, including all necessary components except for the charger, battery, and transmitter batteries. For enthusiasts and hobbyists, the Kyosho 1971 Datsun 240Z Fazer Mark II promises a blend of classic aesthetics and cutting-edge RC technology. The team-associated Apex 2 Sport Nissan Z-RTR stands out as the 4th best touring RC car, tailored for those who appreciate precision and detail. This ready-to-run model showcases an intricately designed Nissan Z body, reflecting the authentic aesthetics of its full-sized sports car counterpart. Built on the versatile Apex 2 Sport chassis, this RC car balances affordability with performance, offering enthusiasts a taste of Nissan's celebrated sports car experience. The Apex 2 Sport chassis features a front and rear independent suspension system with coilover shocks, providing exceptional stability and smooth handling across various terrains. Its active rear toe ensures superior control and precision during high-speed cornering, making it ideal for competitive racing or casual driving. The attention to detail in the Nissan Z bodywork and the engineering behind the chassis delivers a realistic driving experience that mirrors the excitement of the original sports car. The Traxxas Forte 2.0 Mustang GT stands as a tribute to the iconic Ford Mustang, capturing the essence of American muscle in a 1/10 scale RC car. For over 4 decades, the Mustang has been synonymous with performance and style, and this replica brings that legacy to life with precision. The striking bodywork mirrors the sleek lines of the original, from the sculpted grille to the aerodynamic fastback design. Beneath its bold exterior lies the sophisticated Forte 2.0 AWD chassis. This chassis is a marvel of modern engineering, offering unparalleled adjustability and control. Designed to excel on both smooth and challenging terrains, it combines advanced materials with a balanced layout to enhance handling and durability. The chassis integrates seamlessly with the Mustang GT body, ensuring that the car remains agile and responsive under various driving conditions. The Traxxas Forte 2.0 Mustang GT is more than just a model, it's an experience. Every detail, from its high-performance drivetrain to its innovative suspension, is crafted to deliver thrilling performance. Whether you're a seasoned RC enthusiast or new to the hobby, this vehicle offers an authentic glimpse into the world of American muscle, right in the palm of your hand. The Redcat RDS is a powerhouse in the realm of 1x10 scale brushless electric 2WD drift cars. Designed to dominate the track, the RDS features a high-performance rear-wheel drive system ideal for competitive drifting on a variety of surfaces, from carpet to polished concrete. It arrives as a ready-to-run model with essential electronics, including a 2.4 GHz radio system, a 540/3300 kV brushless motor, and a 60A brushless ESC. It does not include a battery or charger, allowing drivers to select from a range of 2S LiPo packs based on their tuning preferences. Crafted from a lightweight carbon fiber chassis, the RDS offers extensive adjustability, crucial for precision drifting. Drivers can fine-tune aspects such as camber, caster, toe, and roll center, ensuring optimal performance and adaptability. The Hexfly GX1 gyro is a standout feature, providing automatic countersteering to help maintain smooth, controlled drifts. The RDS also includes a striking body that supports LED light kits, enhancing its visual appeal. It's a versatile option suitable for both novice and experienced drifters, with instructional videos available to guide users through setup and advanced techniques. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the Redcat RDS offers a blend of performance and customization for an exceptional drifting experience. The Kyosho 1970 Dodge Charger Fazer Mark II stands out as a top choice among touring RC cars. This model seamlessly combines the nostalgic allure of a meticulously reproduced Dodge Charger body with the advanced performance of the Fazer series Mark II chassis. The chassis has undergone a significant upgrade, featuring a streamlined design with fewer components to enhance maintenance ease and reduce overall weight. Despite this, it boasts improved rigidity and strength, thanks to the integration of new materials and reinforced ribbing. This RC truck excels in balanced handling, courtesy of its symmetrical chassis design and responsive suspension system, which ensures superior control regardless of the power source used. Equipped with front and rear gear differentials, oil-filled shocks, and full ball bearings, the truck promises high durability and impact resistance. The Ready Set package is fully assembled and includes everything needed to get started, except for the charger and battery for the chassis and transmitter batteries. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.